VEO3 is literally everywhere right now, and for good reason. But instead of just watching others use it, this video will show you how to get your own free pass to try this amazing AI tool yourself. But before we dive in, I need to be super clear about something. This tutorial is for educational purposes only. It's meant to demonstrate how these systems work. If you plan on using these tools seriously for your projects, I strongly recommend you purchase the official package to support the developers. With that said, the whole thing is surprisingly simple, but the trick is you have to do these steps in the right order for it to work. So let's start with the first tool we need. Open up the Google Chrome Web Store and in the search bar type in VPN. This is the only VPN service that can reliably bypass Google's location tracker. Just go ahead and click the Add to Chrome button to get it installed. Once it's done, you should pin it to your extension tab so it's easy to get to. Next up, click on the VPN icon. Choose the USA as your location and then find Oregon in the list. Now just flick the switch to turn the VPN on. Next, hit this Details button here to see your IP address location. You should see your location is now in Hillsboro, USA. Now, copy the word Hillsboro and just search for Hillsboro zip code in Google. Keep this page open because we're going to need one of these zip codes in a minute. Now we need a virtual credit card that Google will actually accept. To get this, you need a phone app called Revolut. I've got the Revolut link down in the description. Just download the app on your phone. Revolut works in a ton of countries, so just double check that yours is on the list. After you've got your Revolut account all set up, go in there and create a virtual card. Make sure you save the credit card details somewhere safe. We'll be needing that stuff later on. Okay, next, we need a student email. You know, one that ends in .edu. For this, we're going to use a site called etempmail.com. As you can see, you can grab a temporary student email for whatever you need. I'm going to pick cross.edu.pl from the list of domains. I've used some of the others, but this one just always seems to get the job done. Now you can open up the Google One student upgrade link from the description below. Go ahead and click the Verify Student Status button. Now hop back over to eTempMail and copy the email address they gave you. Paste it in here and then click Verify. Now back to eTempMail one more time. Open up the verification email that just came in. Copy the code, paste it here, and hit submit. Alright, pause for a second. If you want more tutorials like this, just hit that subscribe button. It's the best signal you can send me. Now, let's finish what we started. Go ahead and click the continue button. After all that verifying, this start trial button will finally show up. Just click that and then choose Add Card from the option. And this is where you'll need the credit card details from Revolut. Just fill in the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. The cardholder name doesn't matter too much, but you might as well fill it in anyway. Now remember that zip code page? Go back to that list and just grab the first zip code. Use that to finish up the form. Then you can click Save Card. Give it a few seconds to think. Now just click Subscribe to make it all final. And there you have it. You got a fully working Google One Pro account, which will renew every month for the next 15 months.